What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 25 RTR. Today we have our first mod for this beast, and it's a new cubby tray. Alright guys, so like I had done in my review, this is your factory little cubby tray. I do not have the wireless charger. I have the standard for some reason. I guess it's a separate option. I have a premium, don't know. So this is what it is. You can see just the plastic here. This sits in it, but it looks all scratched and scored. And remember, this thing is new, so it looks like it's kind of been through the war already and don't really know why. So I saw this gentleman on Facebook, 3D Workshop, and I had him custom make me an RTR tray. First one to have it. That was it. Made it for me. Shout out to you. Thank you very much. And again, I don't have the wireless charger one, so I have the full size. The wireless one is going to be about half the size. So how he did this was, rather than replace this completely, because this one's nice and thick and sits in there good, this fits inside of it perfectly, just like that. And then you can slide the whole thing on in there. Bam! And there you have it. Carbon fiber, so it matches all the carbon fiber pieces here now that's on the center console and the dash. It just adds a little flair to it, and it matches the RTR sign on the floor mats and on the dash perfectly. Just thinks it adds a little pop to it, just a little bit of customization. It makes it so it doesn't look as cheap with that black rubber. It just adds a little more RTR badging on the inside. So shout out to 3D Workshop. Really good product, great price. It's 20 bucks, whatever configuration you want to get, and he will help custom make whatever you need. Super good to work with. He actually had sent me a wireless one first, and I didn't realize there was even a difference, and he made good on it and sent me a new one and didn't even charge me. So really nice guy, really fast shipping and quick turnaround time. So thanks again. I really like it. So I will drop his link below, and be sure to stay tuned for more 25 Mystic Chrome RTR content. Bye.